The shoelaces do say shoelaces. Y'all know how Off-White like to do it. Let's roll the on-foot review. Honestly, like I be saying, these replica companies kill it every time, and I only promote quality. That's just on period. And honestly, who finna pay, I don't know how much these are, like a few thousand or whatever, who finna pay that when
If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and as you read by the title, I'm coming to y'all with another replica shoe video. So in today's video, I'm pretty excited for these ones. I have the Jordan Cell 4s, the Off-White ones, and yeah, we about to get into it, y'all. These are by Kicksup service. The website is kicksup.su, I believe. We'll have all the information on the screen. If I have a coupon code, that will be on the screen, and I will also have all their information down in the description box down below. What else? Disclaimer: if you don't like replica shoes, just click out the video, period. There's no need for you to stick around. But if you are into affordable replica shoes, let me put you on. Subscribe to your girl channel, like this video, because y'all are gonna freaking love it here, period. So I did crack this box open. I've gotten a lot of shoes, and sometimes it'd be hard to keep up with the tracking numbers, so your girl had to bust it open to see what was up. So but it did come with FedEx box, and then inside the FedEx bag was this cardboard box. Y'all already know how this goes. We about to get into it. So I already cut it open, and the shoes did come in bubble wrap. Good job of trying to protect the packaging. All right, y'all, so here's the box. As you guys can see, I did get these in a size men's 7, which translates to a woman's 8.5. And right off the bat, y'all, I will say these shoes are very, very strong. When shoes come with smells, certain replica shoes, of course the smell is gonna wear off. I be just wanting to let y'all know all the deets on the shoes. So yeah, this box is super strong. I have a very strong, like, factory like smell, so just keep that in mind. I don't too much care for like smells. I mean, if it's strong, whatever, it'll wear off, you know what I mean? We more into the quality of the shoes. So when you open your box, you guys, this is what it looks like. So we have a stock X card. I always tell y'all I love when replica companies include stock X cards because it just makes it seem more authentic. So here's the stock X card. It also comes with a stock X little authentication little tag and has a little QR code on it. Y'all, I almost forgot to show y'all the stock X sticker as well. This was included. It fell out of the box. So yes, you also get the stock X sticker. It came with some Jordan socks. I probably won't be wearing these, but it's the thought that counts. Then you do get your 3 receipts with these. Y'all know I always breeze through the receipts. Feel free to pause the video if you would like, but this is the first receipt. This is the second receipt, and here is the 3rd receipt, you guys. And then there's a QR code up there that you can scan. And then these are the shoes, you guys. Here is one of the shoes, and here is like the paper that came in the bag. It just says Off-White all over it. Off-White all over it, if y'all can see that. It's like some clear paper. This came kind of like as a tissue paper for the shoes. This little card was also in there as well. This is the shoe. I'm freaking in love with these. Like I said, I've already seen them. I usually don't crack open my shoes so I can give y'all like an authentic unboxing. Either way it go, it's gonna be a genuine unboxing. So here is the shoe, y'all. It looks so good. Quality, babe. Get into the quality. Get into the freaking quality, y'all. On the tongue, it has the little Jumpman on it, and then on the inside of the tongue, it says Air Jordan. The shoelaces do say shoelaces. Y'all know how Off-White like to do it. You do get the little Jumpman little tag, which is nice. And then this is the back of the shoe, y'all. These look so good. Y'all know I only promote quality, period. Kicks up, y'all did y'all thing. This is what the bottom of the shoe looks like, you guys. They look so good. And then this is what the inside, shows y'all the tongue. Well, this is what the inside of them look like. It just says Nike Air on the inside. And yes, y'all, these are so bomb. I also wanted to show y'all this little tag. It does have this little like tag zip tie on it, and it says Off-White CO Nike and then 2020 zip tie. I don't know if my camera's gonna pick it up because the light is kind of bright, so y'all can kind of see. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, honestly, y'all, but there actually is a writing on this little tag. Can't wait to style these up. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram because I do be styling and profiling sometime. I'm trying to get my, you know, my Instagram turned up a little bit. So make sure I head over there and follow me. I do be styling all of my little things I get sent. So yes, these are the shoes. They look super duper good. Super sturdy, well made, y'all. Honestly, like I be saying, these replica companies kill it every time, and I only promote quality. That's just on period. And honestly, who finna pay, I don't know how much these are, like a few thousand or whatever, who finna pay that when, like, come on, replica wear. Sorry, I just don't see myself doing it, like spending $1,000, however much these are. I'm not doing it, babe. Y'all head over to Kicksup service if y'all want these and cop you a pair, period. This is the other shoe, y'all. Same thing going on. I love the colorway of like the nude, the cream. Love this colorway. Like, y'all, these are so freaking bomb. So bomb. And shout out to Kicksup service for sending me these shoes. Make sure y'all check them out. I'm gonna have all the information in the description box down below. I also want to let y'all know in the box I did receive 2 extra shoelaces. So we have like a mint green pair, and they say the same thing. They say shoelaces on them just like the cream ones. And then we also have a black pair that say the same thing, so you get 2 extra shoelaces. Yes, y'all, definitely 10 out of 10 recommend these. That is it for really just the review. I love how you got the actual box and everything. Yes, y'all, these are the Jordan Sale 4s. I'm in love with these. They're so bomb. Look at them. Already the smell's kind of wearing off on these because I've opened them before. Yeah, y'all, I literally just cracked the box open. Like, y'all can just see I haven't wore them like out yet, like outside. We about to get into this on foot review. Y'all already know how I like to do my replica videos. If you've been on this channel for a little minute, if you've watched other previous replica videos, which I definitely recommend you check some out, y'all already know how it's about to go down. Let's roll the on foot review. All right, y'all, so this is what I got for the outfit. I just have like this cream nude puffer that I got from Lovely Wholesale. I have a white plain long sleeve white t-shirt, and then I have my Fashion Nova light jeans, and then of course the star of the show, we got the Off-White 4s. Shout out again to Kicksup service for sending me these shoes to review. I really do love them and do recommend them. Definitely good quality, y'all. But yeah, if y'all like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Ever ask what you love, pick up the phone when you home. All I ever asked was you show me some love, kiss me some hug. I never had to let you go to the club.